felt like your travel dreams were just out of reach? What if I told you that the adventure of a lifetime doesn't have to break the bank? Yep, I'm talking about affordable destinations where you can explore, indulge, and experience without overspending. Imagine it. You're strolling through ancient ruins, lounging on tropical beaches, or exploring vibrant street markets. And it all costs less than you'd expect. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the most affordable place to travel, whether you're itching for a quick getaway or planning a longer adventure. But before I reveal it, I want to make sure you stick around, because I've lined up a few other incredible destinations that are budget-friendly. Number 10. Lima, Peru. From seaside views to colonial architecture, Lima has a range of affordable experiences. This bustling capital city is a lively blend of old and new, where pre-Columbian temples stand beside colonial cathedrals and modern skyscrapers. Once overlooked by travelers dashing off to Machu Picchu, Peru's capital is finally getting the spotlight it deserves, and for good reason. Beyond the city's heartbeat lies the beauty of its coastline. Lima's cliffs rise dramatically above the Pacific Ocean, providing breathtaking views that feel like something straight out of a postcard. Imagine this: a plate of freshly made ceviche, Peru's national dish, where each bite bursts with the flavors of lime, cilantro, and chili, starting at $5. Dorm beds in popular districts start at $8 to $12 per night. Private rooms can be found for $20 to $30. Stay with locals to save money and enjoy a more authentic experience. Number 9. Budapest. Budapest is one of those rare cities that has everything: grandeur, history, natural beauty, and a cool, artistic vibe that pulls you in. Flowing gracefully through the heart of Budapest, the Danube River once separated the lively towns of Buda and Pest. They say Buda offers a calm retreat, while Pest pulses with the city's vibrant energy, together creating a perfect balance that defines the spirit of Budapest. Budapest captivates travelers with its reputation as a budget-friendly destination. Though prices have gradually climbed, the city remains an affordable alternative to other European capitals, offering incredible experiences without breaking the bank. Hostel beds are around $10 to $15, and you can enjoy traditional dishes for $5 to $8. A day pass to a thermal bath is about $32. While other sites, like the Fisherman's Bastion, are free. Number 8. Porto. Portugal's second-largest city after Lisbon, one of the most beautiful in Europe, is a dream destination for budget travelers. Dining out, even at upscale restaurants, is remarkably affordable compared to other European cities. Plus, you can find centrally located, comfortable accommodations for less than the cost of a fancy meal in London or Paris. Located in the north of Portugal, close to the sea, is a stunning destination with historic landmarks and delicious cuisine. You can do a lot of things in this beautiful city, even if you have to cut costs while you're there. It's easy to walk around this city, and there are free attractions and a great city center to explore. Stay at a budget guest house for around $20. Meals of local specialties are about $5 to $10. Wine tasting or a river cruise costs about $10. And you can explore the city's scenic waterfront for free. Number 7. Medellin. Which was once notorious for its turbulent past, has changed dramatically to become one of the safest and most vibrant cities in South America. Known as the City of Eternal Spring due to its consistently pleasant climate, Medellin, the second largest city in Colombia, is a visual and spiritual feast. The best thing about it? Its wonders can be discovered without having a lot of money. Hostels cost around $10 to $15. Meals at local spots are about $3 to $6, and public transportation is less than $1 per trip. Number 6. Cairo. Just the name conjures visions of ancient pyramids, bustling bazaars, and the golden glow of desert sunsets. Yet, for many travelers, Egypt's capital seems like an exotic, far-off dream. Too expensive to become a reality. Let me let you in on a secret. Cairo isn't just magical, it's budget-friendly too. Where else can you get admission to a world wonder for $11? Cairo is one of the most affordable cities on Earth. The pyramids of Giza are every traveler's ultimate bucket list destination, and for good reason. Standing before these ancient wonders feels nothing short of surreal. But the best part? It doesn't cost a fortune. A hostel or budget hotel is around $10 to $15, and street food like falafel sandwiches cost less than $1. Number 5. Prague. Picture this, cobblestone streets winding through a city of Gothic spires, red-roofed buildings, and an air of timeless romance. That's Prague, the city of 100 spires, and a treasure trove for anyone with a wanderlust-filled heart. But what if I told you that this European dream destination doesn't require a millionaire's budget? Indeed, Prague is not only breathtakingly gorgeous, but also remarkably reasonably priced. Often called the City of 100 Spires, it's a great destination for budget travelers who want to experience Europe without breaking the bank. Prague's Old Town is essentially a living museum, and the best part? You can explore it without spending a single euro, or koruna in this case. Czech food is hearty, comforting, and surprisingly wallet-friendly. Hostels in the city center start at $15 per night for dorm beds, while cozy mid-range hotels offer private rooms for around $40 to $50. Number 4. Nairobi. While many associate African safaris with hefty price tags, Nairobi is proof that you can experience the thrill of Africa on a budget. Where else in the world can you spot lions, rhinos, and giraffes, with a city skyline in the background? Nairobi National Park offers all the thrills of a traditional safari without the high costs. For around $43 for non-residents, even less for locals, you can spend a day exploring this wildlife haven. Kenyan cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, and you don't need a fancy restaurant to eat well. Hostels and budget hotels in the city start at $15 USD per night, while cozy guest houses offer private rooms for around $30 to $50. If you love content like this and want more budget-friendly travel inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Number 3. Hanoi. Welcome to Hanoi, a city where ancient traditions meet modern energy. And every street feels like a scene from a postcard. With its maze-like old quarter and mouth-watering street food, Hanoi is a traveler's dream come true. But here's the best part. You don't need deep pockets to experience the charm of Vietnam's capital. Since most people travel from north to south or south to north, Hanoi, the energetic capital of Vietnam, serves as both the starting and the finishing point for visitors. There are plenty of things to see and do in this busy city that is packed with tourists and backpackers, none of which will break the bank. Vietnam's history of revolution, war, and art can be better understood by visiting one of the many museums in Hanoi. Hanoi is a food lover's paradise, and the street food here is as affordable as it is delicious. For just $2 to $3, you can enjoy a bowl of pho, Vietnamese noodle soup, or a plate of bun cha, grilled pork with rice noodles and herbs. Hostels in the Old Quarter start at just $5 to $10 per night for dorm beds, while cozy guest houses and boutique hotels offer private rooms for $20 to $40. Attractions like Hoan Kiem Lake and the Old Quarter are free, and local taxis or buses are super affordable. Number 2. Imagine crystal clear turquoise waters, powdery white sand beaches, and rolling green hills. Welcome to Phuket, Thailand's largest island and a true tropical haven. Known for its vibrant nightlife, serene temples, and world-famous beaches, standing at 45 meters tall, Phuket's iconic Big Buddha is a must-visit landmark. Phuket's stunning beaches are its crown jewels, and the good news is they're all free to enjoy. Take a break from the beaches and wander through Old Phuket Town, a charming area filled with colorful Sino-Portuguese architecture, quirky cafes, and vibrant markets. Street food stalls and local eateries serve up dishes like pad thai, green curry, or mango sticky rice for as little as $2 to $3. Dorm beds in hostels start at $10 per night, while private rooms in guest houses or budget hotels range from $20 to $40. Most affordable place to travel is Bali. The island of the gods is every traveler's dream. Emerald green rice terraces, pristine beaches, mystical temples, and a vibe that's equal parts serene and vibrant. But here's the best part. Bali isn't just stunning, it's also incredibly budget-friendly. Bali isn't just a destination, it's an experience that feels both luxurious and spiritual, yet it's accessible for every budget. Whether you're relaxing on pristine beaches, marveling at ancient temples, hiking to hidden waterfalls, or indulging in local cuisine, Bali offers more than just a trip. It offers memories that will last a lifetime. Bali offers incredible accommodations at every price point. Dorm beds for $5 to $10 per night. Cozy private rooms starting at $15. Villas with private pools for as little as $50 per night if you're traveling with friends to share costs. Meals range from $2 to $5. Add in a little extra for temple visits or a waterfall trek, and you'll still stay within budget.